I'm Dr. Marla Conwell. I graduated in 2018.
My name is Mary DuPuis. I am a 2019 graduate. My tribe is the Confederated Tribes of the Chehalis Reservation in Olympia, Washington.
It was a really great opportunity for me to come here because I was looking for a degree that would privilege my Indigenous tribal membership. I just felt very supported. Being a small cohort like it was, then the 4 years went by very quickly.
So I was lucky that I had my sisters to support me, but I was lucky that I was also able to develop a sisterhood with the people in my cohort.
I definitely think this was an awesome experience. I would absolutely recommend it to any Indigenous people, and non-Indigenous people might be interested as well.
It has been a wonderful experience, and I'm really glad that we have chosen to take this journey together.
Chisasha, come here, come to the Wanaga. In case you couldn't tell, we're twin sisters. We're both enrolled Chehalis tribal members, and we're the first doctors for our tribe. We're also the first doctors for our family, so it's very exciting.
Nakola!